Okay guys, welcome back. It's been a while since I've been out here. What I'm doing today, I need to make myself some trailers for some jigs. So I'm gonna make them in a recycled color, so it's gonna be like a grayish. But I'm making some D-bombs, and I'm gonna be making some Fat Albert twin tails. So I'll show you. I'm just gonna be making a few of each, nothing big. Probably a short 3-minute video, nothing huge. Or you might get an extra clip on here. I don't know what I'm gonna do yet. But I'm putting it, it's in the microwave and I'm nuking it up. I'll show you guys once it gets out. See you. Move it a little bit closer. Definitely some editing has to happen. Hey, look at that, it finally worked. Okay, so we're gonna check the one that I think I put a lot of, it got a lot of air into it. I doubt it worked. I want to put this back on. Sorry guys, I had to go fix my mount, which did not work. It didn't make it at all. So, here in about 30 seconds, I'll give you another injection. But, tell me guys what you guys want to see. I'll try to accommodate all you guys. No promises on it because I'll have to order molds for some of you guys. What is your favorite video? Comment down below what was your favorite video for some of you guys. See how this looks. Definitely needs a little bit more time. That 20 seconds will do. But I'm gonna try to get a tube mold on order. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm getting into tube fishing more. I've been fishing tubes way more, and I kind of enjoying it. I want to make some tubes for you guys. Try to help you guys out. Show you how to move tubes. Then also you guys saw this mold. I'm about to make a video on this, making some of these and fishing them. Just tell me what you guys want to see more of. I'm open to ideas. Yep, that is ready to go. Look at that. That's nice, warm plastic. I'm gonna have both molds up and ready. Really? Sorry guys, did it break loose? Sorry guys, I'm having technical issues. But also, tell me if you guys want to see more fishing videos. I'm more than that was not put together. Okay. Well, that one's not gonna work. It's gonna have a lot of flashing on it. Both of those are full now. One of them flashed out this side. Sorry for the camera constantly moving. I'm having technical difficulties. It broke on the bottom. For now, I'm just trying to get Suplo to work. But here you guys go. Once these pull out, I'm gonna just finish the video there. And it's holding now. Don't know why. It's just holding. Sorry for the mess as well. It's been a day. I don't know why it flashed. Did it flash? It only flashed on one side. Well, that's weird. I'm gonna try to pull it open without any help. I bet I'm gonna need help because I flashed it. That's a lot more surface area. Put a screwdriver in the nozzle and just press. There you go. Oh yeah, there's a lot of flashing on those, but they're still usable. I'll clean them up. I don't mind cleaning them. And sometimes I like leaving that flashing on because it gives it a little bit more surface area in that water to throw around and all. Throw that into the bath. Then I'm done with these. 8 of those should get me by, and 3 of those could technically get me by. I'm just gonna shoot 3. And also I'm going to try to get a stinger from Angling AI soon. There they are. Nice, beautiful D-bombs. Made a lot of D-bombs in my days. It's one of my favorite baits. That's why I bought this mold first. This was one of my first molds I bought by myself. It got me through a lot. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and like this video if you liked it. I'll try to make more videos like this if you like it. See you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Okay, guys, got both molds right there. Get that one out of the view. Get that out of the view. Sorry, it's not super clean. I haven't been out here in a while. I haven't made a video in forever. Okay, this I'm using recycled plastic. It's hot. The injection ready. We're gonna start with the Fat Alberts. Hold pressure, and I'll have to suck back up for those because that would take a little more than what we have left. Right there. Always fill off the sprues. And then there you go. I'm probably just gonna make 2 injections of each because that will be 8 Fat Alberts and 4 Bambi D-bombs, which 4 D-bombs will get me through because I only use D-bombs as a trailer for certain situations. But nothing fancy. So these should take just a minute to cool off. That plastic was hot, so and these are cold molds, hadn't been injected yet. Comment down below, guys. Subscribe, like, and comment down below what you want to see next, because that really helps me out in the long run. I'm gonna try to start doing more videos of making. I've run out a lot of ideas, but this one looks about ready. I'm gonna push the top in so if it's not ready, I don't burn myself. Yeah, it's been a while since this mold's been shot. It's sticky. There you go. I had one that did not shoot correctly, but that second one will work. I'm gonna tear off the sprue so I can remelt this plastic down. Put my 1 D-bomb into the bath, and looks like I'll be doing 2 more injections of this. Or 1. I might do 3. 3 might get me by. And now next. Oh dang it! I really need to. Oh well, crap. Okay, there you go. Sorry guys, I'm having issues. I don't have the money right now to afford another stand, so I gotta make do with what I have. If you guys want to help and buy me a new stand, I mean, I'd love the help. Okay. Maybe it's just the plastic just does not want to come out of these molds. There you go. It's very shiny, has a lot of colors in it. Really nice looking bait. Put those into the bath. I'm gonna start making more with the recycle color because everyone can do that. That plastic is really hard for the beginners to start working on it. But if you just get what you can from everyone, I mean, if you have a community that fishes and you can steal their leftover plastic, go ahead, ask for it. I mean, what are they gonna do? Throw it away? You actually have a use for it. Okay. Hopefully they got enough plastic. Looks like my head. Yeah, no, I did not get enough plastic. Those won't make. I got a lot of bubbles in that. Well, I'm gonna have to reheat some plastic now to get more plastic in there. I'll get back with you guys in a second.